Hey health warriors, welcome back to Scion Collis Foods channel. I'm Janet, and today we're diving headfirst into a nutritional goldmine. Forget bland salads and tasteless tofu. We're talking about real food, packed with flavor and the good stuff your body's screaming out for. We're about to transform your plate into a vibrant, delicious, and nutritious feast. Are you ready to revolutionize your diet and unlock your health potential? Let's bloody go. Right, you lot, listen up. We're starting strong with the backbone of any healthy diet, leafy greens. I'm talking about kale, spinach, Swiss chard, the lot. These green goddesses are like the Arnold Schwarzeneggers of the vegetable world, absolutely ripped with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Think of them as nature's multivitamin, packed with more nutrients than you can shake a stick at. We're talking vitamin A for eagle eye vision, vitamin C to fight off those nasty colds, and vitamin K for strong bones. But don't you dare think about serving up some limp, soggy lettuce and calling it a day. Massage your kale with a bit of olive oil and lemon juice for a delicious salad. Or wilt some spinach into your pasta sauce for an extra nutritional punch. And the best part? These green machines are incredibly versatile. No more excuses for skipping your greens. Get them on your plate and start reaping the benefits. Next up, we're talking about those little gems of the fruit world. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Pick your nature's free gold. These tiny fruits are like the ninjas of the antioxidant world, silently fighting off those nasty free radicals. Think of free radicals as those annoying little gremlins that cause damage and aging. Berries come in with their antioxidant swords, slicing and dicing those gremlins into oblivion. We're talking about fighting inflammation, boosting your brain power, and even keeping those wrinkles at bay. And the best part is, berries are bloody delicious. They're like nature's candy, but without the guilt trip. Throw them on your breakfast cereal, blend them into a smoothie, or just grab a handful for a quick and easy snack. So, ditch the sugary snacks and embrace the power of berries. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. All right, you lot, are you ready to dive into the delicious world of fatty fish? I'm talking about salmon, mackerel, sardines, the kings and queens of the omega-3 world. These underwater wonders are like brain food on steroids. We're talking about sharper focus, improved memory, and a mood boost that'll have you grinning from ear to ear. And don't even get me started on the heart health benefits. Omega-3s are like the bodyguards of your cardiovascular system. A drizzle of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, and a sprinkle of herbs and spices is all you need to transform these aquatic delights into a culinary masterpiece. So, ditch the fear and embrace the power of fatty fish. Your brain, heart, and taste buds will thank you for it. Listen up, you lot, because we're about to crack open the world of nuts and seeds. Almonds, chia seeds, flax seeds. These little guys may be small, but they're packed with more nutritional goodness than a Michelin-starred restaurant. We're talking about healthy fats, protein, fiber, the trifecta of nutritional powerhouses. They'll keep you feeling full and satisfied, regulate your blood sugar levels, and provide you with a steady stream of energy throughout the day. Think of nuts and seeds as the ultimate portable snack. Keep a bag of almonds in your desk drawer for when those afternoon cravings hit, or sprinkle some chia seeds on your yogurt or smoothie for an extra boost of omega-3s. Toast them up and sprinkle them on salads for a crunchy texture. Blend them into homemade nut butters, or use them as a base for delicious and nutritious energy bars. Embrace the crunch and reap the rewards. All right, you lot, get ready to delve into the wonderful world of fermented foods. Yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut. These may not sound the most appetizing, but trust me on this one. These probiotic powerhouses are like the superheroes of your gut, fighting off the bad guys and keeping your digestive system in tip-top shape. We're talking about a thriving community of good bacteria that work tirelessly to break down food, absorb nutrients, and keep your immune system strong. Start with a dollop of plain yogurt in the morning. Add some kimchi to your stir-fries for a spicy kick, or try some sauerkraut as a tangy topping for your sandwiches. Your gut will thank you for it, and you might even discover a new favorite food. So, ditch the fear of the unknown and embrace the wonderful world of fermented foods. Your gut will be singing your praises. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's great, Sion, but how do I actually use these in my daily life? Listen up, you bunch of donuts, because I'm about to show you how easy it is to incorporate these superfoods into your daily routine. Let's whip up a quick and easy superfood bowl that'll have you feeling like a champion in no time. Start with a base of leafy greens, spinach, kale, whatever you fancy. Then, add some grilled salmon for those brain-boosting omega-3s. Sprinkle on some mixed berries for a touch of sweetness and a powerful antioxidant punch. Next, add a handful of chopped nuts for some healthy fats, protein and crunch. And finally, top it all off with a dollop of yogurt for a probiotic boost that'll keep your gut happy. Trust me, your body will feel the difference. Get creative, experiment with different flavors and combinations, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with anyone looking to encourage healthier habits in their lifestyle.